Welcome back to Ended Trading on YouTube, and I have a great video for you today. It's called ZuluTrade Review, the leading social trading and social community for investors. Released their revamped website and mobile app, and I've partnered with ZuluTrade to bring you this video today. And if you would like to try them out, there's a link in my description for a demo account where you can try everything I tell you today risk-free. Now, I'm going to be going through everything about ZuluTrade, what it is, setting up an account, and how you use ZuluTrade, and especially on the demo account. So what is ZuluTrade? ZuluTrade is investing made easy with copy trading. So you can join the most transparent social trading network. You can copy top performing leaders from different brokers easily and reach your investment goal. So it's a copy trading platform or a social trading platform. So why would you want to use this instead of trading yourself? Well, because studying the market takes time. So if you have a full-time job or even a part-time job, it can be difficult to get time to research stocks, to research assets to trade like Forex, etc. Because it's 24 hours a day with Forex. And also, building and maintaining a trading strategy is hard with emotions and etc. There's a lot to learn when you're trading and a lot of stress. So just for an example, for me, on the days that I create content for YouTube, I don't have time to trade. I don't have time to study the markets, etc. So even I am interested in copy trading. This is why you should use copy trading over trading yourself. It's because that is why only 11 to 26% of manual investors end up winning overall, which is amazing. But you can beat the odds with copy trading. Did you know that 73% of ZuluTrade's investors make profit when copying top leaders correctly? Okay, so top leaders are the people that are trading, professional traders, and you can copy them automatically. I'm going to show you all that. Okay, so a little bit about ZuluTrade. ZuluTrade began as an idea in Charlottesville, Virginia in the USA to make Forex trading accessible and easy for everyone. Copy trading, this concept of copying traders from another investor, was the core aim of a truly transparent and fair win-win trading ecosystem. And coming the whole way back up to 2023, so this is the exciting part. ZuluTrade have just launched their revamped platform, which enhancing social and technology features and providing users access to analysis data, insights, and portfolio optimization tools that are typically available only to professional traders. He also won the Best Social Trading Solution in the MEA region UF Awards in 2023, which is great. And they have won other awards, and I'll show you that too. But let's just go over a little bit more before I start setting up my demo account, and I'll show you everything you need to know there. So how it works. So leaders join ZuluTrade, they connect their account and share their trading strategy. So professional traders connect to ZuluTrade and all of their trades and everything are recorded, and the amount they trade are recorded on the platform. So then ZuluTrade ranks leaders. So ZuluTrade will rank these professional investors based on the performance, stability, behavior, and their outlook. And then so that is all recorded in a nice, easy to read profile. So then investors like yourself or me select the leaders to copy. So we select the professionals that we want to copy according to their investment capital and risk appetite and outlook. It's that easy, guys. So here you can see ZuluTrade's top leaders here. He's up 58%. This person is up 18.9%, and this person here is up 31%. And the great thing about ZuluTrade is you can see exactly how much money people are investing or copying these people with. So you'll be able to see that all on their profile, and I'll show you that later. But also on ZuluTrade, if you want to set up manual trades, you can also do that too. So you can manually trade currency pairs and trade cryptocurrencies and other assets. And I'll show you that a bit more about that in a minute. These are some of the awards that they have won. The UF Awards in Cyprus in 2022, Best Social Trading Solution, and the Forex Expo Dubai 2020, Best Social Wealth Management Platform. And I showed you what this one from 2023. So some of the highlights, they're transparent. So you see that on the profile. You can see everything about the traders, their risk score, They're innovative. They want to be the largest social trading platform in the world. They're regulated in the EU, South Africa, Mauritius, and Japan, and they have great customer support. And you can learn by copying on social trading. So you can actually, this is how actually I started trading too. I learned by copy trading and looking at other people trading. So you have unique advanced features. Okay, so you can discover back tests, watch lists, risk score, and I'll be showing you that later on too. So how does ZuluTrade work? So it works with all of these brokers. It's set up automatically. So what you do, you set up a ZuluTrade account and then you connect your broker account from these different platforms, these different brokers here. And what happens is when the professional trader makes a trade, you make that exact trade also, and in proportion of his portfolio. So let's say he invested 1,000 with 10%, and you copied with 100, you would invest $10 into that trade. So it's great if you have one of these accounts, but you can also create a new one on the revamped platform. You can just click select and you can set up an account with these brokers right on their platform without leaving the website. Now, what happens if you don't want to use one of these brokers and you're using another broker? ZuluTrade, you can also connect your broker that uses any of these features here. So ZuluTrade expands its options of available platforms. You can now link any MT4, any MT5, AppTrader, Open Hub, or Matchmaker platform account using on-the-fly terminal connection. So you just have to enter the credentials of that platform, wait for a few seconds for a connection, and you're ready to go. So if you already have a broker that uses these services, uses these platforms, you can connect it to ZuluTrade. Some other new features of ZuluTrade is the subscription plan. You can set up a subscription so you don't get any extra commission for copy trading, and the cost is just $10 per month for each leader or each professional trader that you copy. And you can get discounts if you choose semi-annual or annual prescriptions or even quarterly. But if you're using an integrated broker or other brokers that cover this fee, you don't need to worry about subscriptions because it's free. You don't get any extra commission when you use one of these brokers. So that is the benefit of using one of these brokers. Okay, now for the fun part, let's set up a free demo account, and you can get a free demo account. Please use my link in the description and it will show ZuluTrade that you watched my video and you came from Ender Trading. Okay, so you click join now. So you have two options with ZuluTrade. You can automatically sign in and create an account with your Google, or you can just enter your details manually like I'm going to do now. Now you just enter in your personal details, and if you sign up through my link in the description, you will automatically get that demo account. So I click here, I need to get a code for my email address. So ZuluTrade just sent me an email with my verification codes. I just paste it in there and click verify. Now you can do exactly the same with your phone. You don't have to do that if you don't wish to at this stage. Now you can upload your profile picture and you can select the display name. So this will be your username. Success! I've set up my account already for a demo account, and you continue to the live registration if you want to set up a live registration, or I will continue later and I will just go to my demo account. Okay, so my demo account is live and I have $10,000 to invest. It's virtual money, it's risk-free, and this is how you can try out the platform too. Make sure to use my link in the description so ZuluTrade knows that I sent you. Now, what I like here is you can filter by different categories, like the time frame. Okay, so let's set the time frame. I want to have 1 year, overall results for 1 year. And I can click on investors because I like to sort by the most in copiers, the most people that are copying this person, because it goes by the wisdom of the crowd, meaning that the more people that are copying this investor means the better chance that they're the better trader, because your wisdom of the crowd, you're using everybody's opinion instead of your own. Also, something to look out for, there's a risk score between 1 to 5. So how risky you want to be with your money, or the investor's risk score. And that's calculated by ZuluTrade. So 1 is the lowest risk and 5 is the highest risk. So let's go into this person here. So you can read all about the leader here or the investor here. Return on investment over the last year was 46.80, which is massive. Low risk score, which is good. It's a win rate of 77.6, and he has 1,479 copiers. And you can see from the last year, I love that graph steadily growing, and that's what you want, guys. So here you can see his personal profits. So what he's profiting on the amount he has traded. So he has profited 3,477 on his own trades. He's done 3,019 trades. Maximum amount of open trades is 22, which is good. Not too many to focus on, so he's focused on a low amount of trades. Winning trades is 76.20. His recommended minimum investment is 5,259, but you can deposit whichever amount you wish. And this is important here, is max drawdown. So the most that it ever dropped. Average about 13 trades a week. So you come to his portfolio and you can see everything that he has traded in the past will come up here. So it's very transparent, and you can see his open positions at the moment. So this is what he has opened. So how do you copy this leader strategy on ZuluTrade? It's very simple. You just click here, copy strategy, put in the amount you want to invest. And down here, there's one other thing I'd like to show you is copy open trades. Now, this copies, when you click that, that copies all of his open current trades. Now, if you don't click that, that'll just copy his new trades. I prefer copy open trades. And all you do is click copy strategy. So that is how easy it is. Every time this trader makes a trade, I will automatically make the same trade on my brokerage account. And so let's say he makes a trade with 5% of his total worth. I will make a trade with 5% of my total investment, copying him. Another cool feature is this stimulate button. So you click here and this brings you to this page. And this is the trader that I just copied. So let's say I copied him with 10,000, and you can change the timeline here from 18 months to 12 months, and you click start stimulation. Now this back tests this trader on his past performance, and it'll show you roughly what you're expected to make if he makes the same profits in the next year. So what you have here is 10,000 invested. So after 12 months, it'd be 14,752. So your profit would be 4,752 and 55 cents. And you can see there the graph is going up. Another cool feature of ZuluTrade is their community. So you can come in here to community tab and you can post about your trading here. You can ask questions and you can use hashtags and follow different hashtags also. So another feature of ZuluTrade, you can invest manually in stocks and other assets directly on the platform, and these will be bought on your brokerage account. So you can do everything through ZuluTrade platform. So let's say I want to invest in Forex. I can click buy here. You can set in how much you want, how many lots you want to order, and you can do fractional, and then you click on buy. And that's it. And I have bought, and you can set your leverage and you can set everything like that, stop loss and take profit too. And you can come to your dashboard and see your open trades here, and you can update the stop loss, or you can even just close the trade here. And there I closed the trade. It was easy as that. So I hope you enjoyed my ZuluTrade review, and the video was about the leading social trader and social community for investors released a revamped website and mobile apps. Remember to use my link in the description to let ZuluTrade know that you watched my video, and you can get a free demo account too to try out ZuluTrade copy trading for yourself. If you have any questions at all, I'm happy to answer them in the comments section. Okay, thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon on the next video. Bye-bye. Remember that trading in financial instruments involves significant risk of loss, and this video was for educational purposes only.